Let's visit the Portimão Museum today. The sounds around is the sounds of the stork nearby. This one is the part of their museum where the fish arrive, going to the area where they pack or they can it before years ago. Let's go near. There are plenty of baskets where they put the fish. Look, it's where the fishing landing area. It's like a mini pier for the boat to unload the fish that they catch, especially sardines. Now let's go inside the museum. The admission cost €3 for the adult and discounted for students. Let's go inside. Let's see what they have. And it's really cheap. It's just €3. Prehistoric man developed agriculture, fishing, harvesting. You can find this site around 30 minutes drive from Portimão. These are parts of their Roman historic collections. And this one here are the Islamic collection. Islam, Roman, and then Islamic. These are the first coins that used here in the Portugal, especially in the Algarve region. There are gold, bronze. There are plenty of silver coins. Coins are from Africa, from Arabian countries, and Europe, circulated around here in the Portugal. A model of Portuguese fishing boat. And the section here, they are showing how they preserve the fish and how they canned it. Oh, that's how they sealed the can years ago. This section here are antique collections. There are many nice. It's a Japanese sword. Japanese. In here, they are showing another way of living, the drying of fruits, and the apparatus that they are using. This old underground here is the waterway where they collect the rainwater. Submarine. An animation of wildlife underwater around the area. In the other room, they have a special exhibit. It's only seasonal. It's the history brought from the river, from Aradi River here in Portimao, going to Silvis. Yeah, they have a lot of collections anyway. And it's historical because it's some are Roman times, some are during Islamic times or Moro times. Look at this. It's an engineering tools years ago. Look at that. And they have also a bronze spoon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.